Who could be calling me at 12 in the morning? Hello?
I will kill you.
Who is this?
Who is this?
Who is this? I asked you first.
Who is this? I asked you first.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Copycat.
Copycat.
Why have you called me?
Come to crib. I'm gonna kill you.
Okay. When are you planning to do that?
Meet me on MySpace at 12:05.
But it's 12:04.
Yeah, you better be there.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I won't.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
I said no.
I said yes.
I said no.
I said yes.
Whatever.
Whatever.